Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you are doing very well with the grace of Almighty Allah. So today is also very important topic. Some of the request came for me how we can install the NSP Huawei simulator. So in order to install the NSP Huawei simulator, first of all I would like to welcome all of you to Heather Tech, and I will explain step by step how you can download Huawei simulator. It is same like the packet tracer, but the thing is it's just the installation steps are little bit different. Okay, so now I will start my installation steps. Okay, please follow me from the video till end, so you will learn how you can install and how you can use the Huawei simulator. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, what you need to do, so the thing is, these are the links I will provide you. So go to the site here, this site. Okay, I will provide you a link in the video description, so you can download this simulator from this official link. Okay, even I will provide you the link in my video description. Okay, once you will download, in my case I already downloaded, I will show you the next step, what to do next. So once you will download, then after that what you need to do, go to the, this is the one which I have downloaded. Okay, double click it here. Okay, so because it will take some little bit time, and after that the installation process will start. Click it on yes, click next. Okay, C program, this is the path wherever you want to install. So select the path, this is the name. Create the desktop icon, yes, I want to create the desktop icon. Next, so you want to install the WinPep 4.1.2 and install Wireshark, yes, we need all these things. Then click it on install. So you can see the installation process is going to be start. It will take some little bit time, so it will just maybe not more than 5 minutes. So we can say, see, it is same like your packet tracer. You can simulate your actual network in this simulator. The good thing of this simulator is it will give you a real PC and the real router and the switch feeling. So I will show you how you can use it. Okay, so just, I think it will not take much time, installation process. Now it is installed. So this is a prerequisite also. You also need to install PCAP. Okay, next, click it on next. I agree. Installation automatically start the PCAP driver boot up install. Okay, and the installation process finish. Okay, so once it will finish, then you also need, because install the Wireshark, it automatically pop up this window. Okay, once you will click yes, agree, next, yes, create the desktop icon, yes, we want to create the desktop icon, create shortcut. Next, install WinCap 4.1.2, we already installed, no need to click it here, just it will extract it, and once the extraction will be finished, so we will be able to run the program. So you can see here now the extraction process is started, and now we will click it on next, run. No need to run, just finish the installation. You can see our installation has been finished. Now we are going to launch the ENSP, finish. Okay, now it is going to be launched. 1 minute, yes, allow access. So we need to allow this access. Yeah, so you can see this is our network simulator. If you will see here, this is our network simulator. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to click it on new. Okay, so this is our ENSP, and we will click it on new. So how to see installation. Now after that what you need to do, so we will make a simple topology. What is our topology? We will use one switch and two client computer, or we can say one client and another one laptop. Okay, and one MCS server we can take it. Okay, we will make the simple topology. Okay, so now we need to, after that what we need to do, we need to make a connection, the links. Okay, So how you can create the link? So better to take the auto cable and connect it here, and you need to connect this one. Again go this one, go to the auto and connect with other computer. So again go there, click it here and click this one. So after that what you need to do, just you need to start the process. Right click on the this one, the client PC, click it on start. Right click on the switch, click it on install. Okay, start. So it will take some time, and right click and click it on start. So once it will turn blue, it means, so yeah, again start. Okay, so these are the steps you require allow access, because it's sometime there is some, you know, the window defender is going to block some of the services. Because of that one, it is taking too much time. You can see it turn green now. Okay, so after that what we are doing, so we are going to assign the IP addresses. So we can assign the IP addresses, at least we can see we can easily whether this communication can be possible among the client PCs, among the PCs. So what we will do, click it, right click, go to the setting and assign the host name PC1, we can say, no issue. You can write PC1, and this is a static IP address is 192.168.1.10. I will assign the IP, and 255.255.255.0. okay, and we don't need a default gateway because the router is not connected, so we don't need it. Click it on apply. So it means this configuration is finished. Now go to the client PC, here client 2, and go to the setting, and here I will assign 192.168.11. 10.11, sorry, 1 dot, sorry, 1 minute, this is 1.11. okay, so subnet mask is default class C, subnet mask 255.255.0. okay, then again apply 1.11. you can see again done. This is done. Yeah, here also you need to right click, setting, go to the setting, assign the IP address 192.168.1.12. okay, 255.255.255.0. okay, now apply the setting. Everything is okay. Again we can double check. You can see here this was our setting 1.10. so now what we will do, we will check the ping from client 1 to client 3. So at least we can see it is working fine or not. So just write ping 192.168.1.11. you can see the ping is working. So it means we have configured a very simple topology. Now from client 2 to, okay, we can say from client 1 to client 3, we can say, let me ping, so 12. So ping is working. Now I will check from this PC. Let me close this one. Let me check it here. Go to the setting, command prompt, and I will check from here to ping 192.168.1.10. yeah, you can see the ping is working. So our topology is perfect. And 1.12 to the client 3 PC, yes, it is working fine. So that's all for today. So this is the network simulator for Huawei, and so that's all for today. Please like and subscribe our video, and I will make some more video to give you a little bit more overview about the Huawei network simulator. So thank you so much, and thanks for watching.